This is a celebration of the South Carolina Aeronautical Training Center, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. So look around you. The South Carolina Aeronautical Training Center is not a building. It is a place of inspiration.
We're now sitting in the Aerospace Technology Hub here at Trident Technical College. This aerospace facility will enable children who are growing up right now to be able to have a higher quality of life and a greater standard of living because of the economic opportunities that they can take advantage of. This building means a lot to a lot of future generations here in the Low Country.
A number of people couldn't fathom why we were coming to South Carolina, a place that had no major aerospace manufacturing presence. However, we believed in the people of South Carolina, and South Carolina believed in us. From day one, Trident Technical College has committed itself to working with Ready SC and Boeing to ensure that we build skilled aerospace workforce in the Low Country.
The whole community coming together, the Tri-County with the state, with Boeing and our other business partners, coming together to build a state-of-the-art facility. This is a Class A, wonderful facility for our students for generations to come.
In the year 2030, 85% of the jobs that people will be doing haven't been invented yet. It's data like this that's the driving force for why we are here today.
It's really about the war for talent. All of the employers in this area, if you think about Boeing and Mercedes and all of the manufacturing that's come to South Carolina, they're looking for skilled, talented students. And so this building will provide hands-on training for students to get the skills that they need to be productive in the workforce right away. That's really important.
Today, this facility is all about progress. Progress for Trident Technical College. Progress for the young minds who will thrive within these walls, and progress for the Low Country and beyond. This facility is about jobs, demanding jobs that require cutting-edge training and high-paying jobs that need to be filled across our great state.
It is an incredible achievement. I've been to this facility twice, and we run businesses all over the world. I have never seen education be as reactive as it is here in Charleston, and we're already in line with 3 concurrent projects with the college, and we hope there'll be a huge amount of interface between the state of Qatar students, college students here, to show them the bigger world and the joys of manufacturing. It's an incredible facility.
Because we operate in the aerospace sector, we're really excited about the technical expertise that will be taught here. And it's very important to be able to retrain South Carolina's workforce to be able to serve all of the various high-tech industries that have come in and high-tech manufacturing, including aerospace.
Ladies and gentlemen, one question I am asked often is, should we look outside our area to attract a better workforce? No, not until we have first looked inside our communities, because the talent is here. All our talent needs is opportunity and inspiration.
This facility that we're in today, it's just a historic occasion because this is needed so we can grow our own talent. This aeronautical training facility, the advanced manufacturing capabilities it's going to promote is absolutely critical to what we call sustained growth in the future.
We're bringing in all these high-tech companies to do the work here, and we need this type of workforce. And the only way you get this type of workforce is to have a facility like this. It's a fabulous facility. It's state-of-the-art on everything that we do out here, and everything that goes on is going to translate into people having a better future for the Low Country, South Carolina.
As chair of the foundation, the Trident Tech Foundation, of course our vision is to create community investments today for tomorrow's workforce. So this is just a clear manifestation of that.
It means a great deal to the community. The opportunities that are going to be provided for all of the residents of our various counties. Tremendous opportunities for everyone.
It's phenomenal what this will bring in the future. You think about the aeronautics part of it, think about Volvo, Boeing, Mercedes-Benz, those. The jobs that are created with the people who come here are not the jobs today or tomorrow, it's the jobs of the future. It changed our state forever.
This today is a fact of what happens when people work together and come together, put their personal differences aside, and come together to make sure that the world is a little bit better place, and we will leave it that way because of the contributions we all make toward the quality of life for the next generation.
Our technical college system with 16 colleges started in 1961. Nobody else has got what we got. We've been sticking with it. We're raring to go. Ready SC is the only one in the whole world that does what it does. And we are in a position to outcompete anyone else in the whole world. We have to support the leadership that's in this room, the brain power, the innovation, the vision that's in this room. And if we stick together like the family we are, as it's been said before, the best is yet to come, and it's coming right here. And thank you.
This is a happy occasion. It's a celebration. It's just the biggest thing that's happening in the Low Country in years, I would say. So it's exciting, and everyone here is just looking forward to the results it's going to bring with the education that students are going to be getting.
It's a game changer. We're a global aeronautical hub. This building makes that statement. Our students understand that they're receiving the best training with the best kind of equipment in a facility that is world class. They get that. They'll be forever different and inspired by that.
The world has changed. Innovation, technology, all the academics, the brain power that is involved to be a leader in the world, the door to that is open in a place like this. So this is really a great step forward for South Carolina and for the whole country. I think this will be a model for others to follow, and we're going to have great prosperity for many generations because of what we're doing right now.
We have a world-class facility, and this is just the beginning. Just the beginning.